Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this very simple look. It's just a focus on lips and with a fun winged eyeliner. Nothing huge, nothing really that hard except for winged eyeliner. But anyways, if you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching. As usual, I am starting off with brows, and today I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. And next I'm just going to go on into skin, so I'm using the IsaDora color correcting concealer. And now I'm going in with the Coverage Foundation by The Ordinary. And next I'm going in with the Sheer Finish Loose Powder by Lumene. And next I'm going in with the Brow Tamer by Pixi by Petra. Now I will be starting on the eyes, and today I'm using the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. I'm taking the color Cigar and I'm putting this above my crease. And next I am taking the color Mafe, which I'm running out of. But I'm taking this and I'm putting it over my lid. Like so. And underneath my eye, I'm going back in with Cigar. Next I am going in with eyeliner, so I'm using the Cake Eyeliner from Makeup Store. And for mascara, I'm using the the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. There we go, and next I will be finishing the rest of my face. So I'm using the colors Mafe and Cigar, and I'm shading my face. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Andromeda, as I normally do. And for highlight, I'm going in with the color Milky Way. And I'm also putting a bit of the color Milky Way in my inner corner. And for lips, I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Foul Mouth. like so. And next I'm just going to apply the Famous Lashes by Rebecca Stella Makeup, and then I will be done. So I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. Looks kind of good, right? Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought, and I will see you in my next video.